You are currently watching our founder Tevin Yong hand-bake cookies for mental health. But why does mental health matter? Poor mental health can lead to depression, anxiety, and overwhelming stress. In the most tragic cases, it can result in suicide. Suicide is one of the leading causes of death globally, but what makes this even more heartbreaking is that it is also one of the most preventable deaths. Depression, anxiety, and stress don't just affect the mind. They disrupt our productivity, strain our relationships, and impact our physical health. Mental health is connected to every part of our lives. Yet, even with these realities, mental health is often overlooked. People still think it's less important than physical health, even though both are equally vital. This is partly because of long-standing beliefs and a lack of funding for mental health support systems. These problems have existed for years, making change even harder. At Homemade Delights, we refuse to accept this. We are not just a bakery, we are a movement. Our mission is to raise awareness about mental health and support those in need. We do this by selling homemade baked goods and donating all profits to mental health care systems. These systems include, but are not limited to, Rise Above the Disorder, the 988 hotline, and Mental Health of America. We have already donated close to $200 and our sales are consistently growing. Our baked goods are priced affordably because we prioritize impact over profit. Every dollar that doesn't go into making our treats helps someone get the mental health support they deserve. We are relentless in our mission. Every cookie we bake, every pastry we sell, brings us one step closer to a world where mental health is recognized and supported just as much as physical health. You can support us by buying one of our baked goods, donating, or even just following our social media profile. You can learn more about us on our website, homemade-delights.my.canada.site. At Homemade Delights, we believe in more than just baking. We believe in hope, healing, and community. At Homemade Delights, we save lives, one pastry at a time.